Good morning. Welcome back to the channel Awesome Learning. Today's topic is the leaf, and the chapter that we were doing was morphology of flowering plants. We have already covered the root and the stem. So we will be doing the leaf today. As you see, it is the lateral flattened structure bone on the stem. It is laterally placed and flat bone on the stem. It develops at the node. Now the place where the leaf is attached to the stem is called node and bears a bud in its axil. Now when this is the leaf petiole and this is the stem. So there is an angle here, that is the axil. The angle is called axil, and here there is a bud, as you see this one, which is called the here they will develop axillary bud. So there is an axil present, and this axil may have an axillary bud. The axillary bud the later develops into a branch. From the axillary bud, a new branch can come out. Leaves originate from shoot apical meristem. Now you have done this apical meristems in class 9. Also you have done this types of meristem, lateral, apical, intercalary. So leaves originate from shoot apical meristems because apical meristem is also present in root. But leaves do not originate in the root apical meristem. They only develop on the shoot apical meristem and are arranged in an acropetal order. Okay. Now children, this is an acropetal order. Acropetal order means the new leaves are added on the top. The older ones will be at the bottom. Okay. And the new ones will be added at the top. So this arrangement is called acropetal order. They are very important vegetative organs. Of course, they are vegetative. They are not reproductive parts. Only flower is the reproductive part. So they are the very important vegetative. Why are they very important? Because they perform photosynthesis. Then the structure of leaf here, it contains three main parts. That is the leaf base, the petiole, and the lamina or the leaf blade. So this is the leaf base, as you see here, the leaf base. Then comes the petiole, by which it is attached to the stem, and the lamina. So this whole is the lamina. Okay, so these are the three main parts of a typical leaf. Then you see there are many different things also present here, or different parts. Axillary bud we have already discussed. There can also be a stipule present here. Axillary bud is also present in the axil, and the stipules are also present here. We have also done what is a node, and the space between two nodes is called internode. Now the leaf, there is a central line here on the leaf which is called midrib, and the various other you'll see lines on the blade. These are the veins. Okay. Now with this, first of all, we will first part is leaf base. Let's see what does it say about leaf base. With this, the leaf is attached to the stem. So leaf base is the part where it is attached to the stem. It bears two lateral leaf-like structures called stipules. Now leaf base has two leaf-like structures, okay, which are called stipule. They also appear to be like leaves. This is the leaf base, and it appears they look like leaves. So these are the stipules. You see, leaf-like structures, very small ones. The stipules are present here. In monocots, the leaf base expands into a sheath covering the stem partially or wholly. So in monocotyledonous plants, the leaf base covers the stem either partially or wholly. Okay, and in some leguminous plants, the leaf base may become swollen and is called pulvinous. As you see here, they are swollen. Can you see the leaf bases are swollen here and hence called pulvinous. Okay, and in monocots, the leaf base either partially or wholly covers. You see, this is the leaf base and this is the stem and it is covering the stem, you see, with a sheath. Okay, and this will be only seen in the monocots. The second part is petiole. It helps to hold the leaf blade to the light. Long, thin, flexible petioles allow the leaf blades to flutter, that is पत्ते जो हिलते हैं wind में, thereby cooling the leaf and bringing fresh air to the leaf surface. So this is quite easy. Third is the lamina, the green expanded part which contains veins and veinlets. These are the lines I already told you, veins and veinlets. Middle prominent vein, the middle prominent vein is called the midrib. Here they have shown midrib, see. Middle prominent vein is the midrib. Veins provide rigidity to the lamina. एक तरह से skeleton का काम करते हैं. Rigidity provide करते हैं to lamina. And they also, so there are two functions. पहला तो है rigidity to the lamina. And the second one is they act as channels of transport for water, mineral and food materials. So these are the two functions performed by the veins. Right? Okay, so this is all about the structure of leaf.